Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I just want to tell you about a little new project / mini-series that we've got here. Do you remember Stu, who went down to see in Hastings? I bought the engine off him and his friend.
Dubs?
Yes, that guy with a beard. He's gone and bought himself a new car, a new Mark II Golf. And we thought you guys would like to see it because we all love Golfs here. So why the hell not? Surely you're not all here just to see me and my ugly mug. We're all about the cars, right? So yeah, this is going to be a new sort of mini-series of him and his project, working on it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So let me know down below what you think. Is another project from somebody else something you want to see on this channel? Or do you want to just have updates on the Lemon? Hopefully you'll choose both because you can't get enough Mark IIs, can you? And with that, I'll put you over to Stu now and hopefully enjoy this video. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe. All right, Stu, over to you.
Hello, tubers! And hello, Scott. Right. I've gone and brought what I consider to be one of the cheapest Mark IIs I've seen for sale in a long time. It's 1.6 drive. She's not your CL, she's not your GL. She's a driver, so she's like a GTI. I haven't seen it yet. He hasn't stopped giggling. Here we go. We're just going to go around the corner. And what's my first impressions when I see it? Struth. Could be worse. There's some proper scrappers in this place. I don't think that. My voice went there. That don't look too bad.
We're quite a distance away from it right now.
No, right, stop here. I mean, obviously, this is my first view of it. I knew the headlight on the left looks a bit shoddy. Let's go and take a close look and see what all the fuss is about. Right, we're up and close now. Dave's just unlocking it for us. Very slippery, it's icy today. I don't think it's that bad, really. See the screw for the door handle.
You know what that is?
Yeah, there's bits that are untatty. We're going to sort that out later. That's really not that that's part of the roof lining.
Yeah, it is.
Look, ultraviolet interior. That seat ain't too bad. We might have had a little repair. Let's have a little sit down. I knew the dash was like that, but I'm not really that bothered.
Oh, you got that, Stu.
Oh, we've got speakers, yeah. Come out of it. So the digital radio. I hope the wiring looms stand. Oh, I can't handle seeing extra wires. It wants to be. Jesus. I hate dubbing this. Look. But we'll come back to this sort of thing. Let's open the back door, dude. Yeah, look, these seats are all right. Look, she's 120,000 miles young. That's really under mileage for the year, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, so she's had a Weber conversion. Don't need to pop the bonnet to know that. And instead of getting the proper plate, in fact, I've got one by accident. Can we focus in there? Let's have a look in the back. So it's got 8 valve lights, is what we call them. Standard Golf lights. Oh. Another airbox in there. Got the seat runner covers. Oh, lovely. We've got a puddle of water. We'll have to work out where that's coming in. It's a lot better that side. It's drier. What's the footwell like? Oh, that's dry. Lovely spare wheel. And some arsehole's taken the roof lining out. They didn't say that in the advert. You might have to use a bleep there, Scott. Yeah, possibly coming in by the... from that. I imagine that is. What have you noticed? That's character building. Who set fire to that then? does look it. It's very funnily brittle. But on the whole, I don't think it's that bad. Let's have a look under that bonnet. Right, we've just put it in gear, taken the handbrake off, and let's see if we can rock it and see if she's through. I don't think you have put that in gear, Dave.
Hold on a minute. Stop them from it.
Yeah. There, that's fine. You can see it turning over.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Not a lot of oil.
No. Yeah, no water.
Lovely alarm there.
Don't look like it's really attached by much. She's quite straight. You know, there's no real rot. As you can see, it's fairly straight, isn't it? For what I paid for it, I'm not unhappy. Yeah, all right. Sight unseen. Didn't know about the roof lining. He hasn't told us that it's got a little water leaking about. He hasn't told us the roof runner thing looks like someone had either been composting on it or had a bonfire there. Yeah, no, look. The idea of this is a nice little cheap project, and hopefully one of our boys will start driving. And don't say we hate them. They wanted a Mark II. Right then, back to you, Scott.
So yep, there we go. That's it from Stu and from me. I probably won't be doing any more intros for this series for Stu. He can do it all himself. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the podcast we've got, Dubs and Dubbers. I hope you guys liked the first episode. Got more to come. See you guys in another video again soon, because I've got lots more to do on this. Don't worry. Bye bye.